Welcome, children. Welcome once again. Today, we are going to study about the solar system. And we are going to learn about the planets, satellites, the stars, and the constellation. So, let's get started. What is solar system? The solar system is like a very big family. It consists of the sun, moon, planets, etc. The planets, they move around the sun. The eight planets, the sun, their moons, and the dwarf planets, they together form the solar system. The eight planets that you can see that revolve around the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And they orbit around the sun in the order of increasing distance from the sun. The sun is a huge ball of fire that gives us heat and light, and it is at the center of our solar system. The first planet, which is the closest planet to the sun, is Mercury, and it is also the smallest planet in the solar system. The second planet in the solar system is Venus, and it is the hottest planet of all. And you must be wondering, how come Venus is the hottest planet when Mercury is the closest planet to the sun? So even though Mercury is closer to the sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system because it has a much thicker atmosphere. Mercury is closer to the sun, but it has a very thin atmosphere, and all the heat trapped goes out in space, while Venus holds all the heat it gets because it has a thicker atmosphere. The third planet in the solar system is our Earth. It is the third planet in the solar system and is also called the blue planet because almost 70% of its surface is covered with water. It appears blue when seen from the space. The next planet is Mars. It is the fourth planet. It is also called the red planet because the soil and rocks on this planet are red. It is the only planet which is similar to Earth, and scientists believe that it is the planet besides Earth where life may exist. Which is the next planet? The next planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is the fifth and the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter spins very fast, pulling the clouds they surround it form a striped pattern. This is why we see a striped pattern on Jupiter when we look carefully. And these are the striped patterns on Jupiter. The next planet is Saturn. It is known as the planet with rings because it appears to have several rings around its middle. And the next two planets, the Uranus and Neptune, they are the farthest from the sun and are called the outer planets. Till July 2006, children, it was accepted that the sun has a family of 9 planets. However, on 24th of August 2006, the International Astronomical Union IAU redefined a planet. They changed the definition of a planet. Our solar system now only has 8 planets. Pluto, which was earlier a planet, is now called a dwarf planet along Ceres and Xena. So together these 8 planets and dwarf planets, they are moving around the sun in their fixed path called orbits. What is the other part of the solar system? The moon and the satellites? An object revolves around a planet in an orbit is called a satellite. Almost every planet has a satellite that revolves around it. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. So children, moon does not have an atmosphere to protect it from extreme heat and cold. So the temperature on the moon can be as high as 100 degrees centigrade at noon and as low as minus 173 degrees centigrade at night. And the moon also does not produce its own light. It shines because it reflects sunlight that falls on its surface. So the moon takes the light from the sun and it reflects on Earth. What are stars? If we look at the night sky, we see lots of shining, twinkling objects called stars. What are these stars made up of? Stars are glowing balls of gases that spread out heat and light in space. They are actually huge, but because they are so far away, they look like tiny pinpoints of light to us. And children, what are constellations? A group of stars that seem to form specific pattern are called constellations. Some constellations that are easily visible are Ursa Major, the Great Bear. There are certain patterns of stars that you will visualize in the night sky. So they together form constellations. They together form some kind of shape and they are called constellations. So this is Ursa Major. It gives the shape of a great bear. The Scorpio or the Scorpion, the Orion or the Hunter. So these are different constellations and many more constellations are there. So you can go in the night sky and observe the sky. You will find lot of patterns in the night sky. And children, with this we come to the end of our chapter Solar System. Thank you